Hi, my name is Raymond Aaron, the Banana Chief of Villa Socorro Farm. And this is my story with Sunlight. We started partnering with Sunlight Air back in 2022. This was the period wherein we were just recovering from the pandemic. So imagine prior to that, we were really having a hard time and we were struggling on how to get back to our feet after that long period wherein we didn't have that much sales. So when Sunlight came in, we were able to jumpstart this business, not just be available in local stores in the land, but finally we're available up in the air. We all know in the Philippines there are 7,000 plus islands and would really want to get our products to all over the place. So the logistics to really get around, that would be quite difficult for us. It came quite as a surprise. We just received a random email wherein they were asking us about our products. And I guess you can say the rest is history. We're very proud that they chose us for this very good opportunity, and we've been doing business ever since. We were very happy that we were getting inquiries from different types of people saying that they found the products, they tried the products in an airline, and apparently we know that that's Sunlight Air. And then they would approach us and contact us and really ask about the product, and that was a great surprise. So of course, we now get more products out to the markets. We're very happy that Sunlight Air was able to share our products to all these travelers all around the Philippines. It's really Villa Socorro Farm's goal to work with our partner farmers. So because of Sunlight Air, we're now able to tap into 200 partner farmers where we become the sure market of their bananas and different types of produce and convert them into snack products that most people can enjoy. I can always think about si Kuya Willie, isa sa aming mga partner farmers. One time kausap ko siya, sabi pa niya, "Oh Raymond, dahil dito sa trabaho namin, daig ko pa nag-o-opisina." So he's now his own entrepreneur and he can earn as much now as a farmer. And sabi nga namin, pwede natin bigyan ng dignidad ang pagiging isang magsasaka. When it comes from Villa Socorro Farm, these are products that are made fresh and of high quality. We're very happy for this partnership. But imagine two relatively young companies are partnering and collaborating in a project like this. We're very happy that we were recognized to really bring our snack products all over the Philippines.